Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Rita, and I just dropped in here to do a little impromptu video on some salmon. This is lemon pepper salmon. So before we get started, what's up everybody? It's your girl Rita, and I'm here to do this little short video. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video. If you're one of my new subscribers, welcome to the chaos. And welcome. I'm glad to have you as one of my RitasEatas. And I'm just going to do this quick video, like for real. It's going to be real quick. I have drank my 96 ounces of water today. I have worked out and did my cardio. And now I'm just going to throw me a salmon plank or whatever this is, fillet, into the oven. And I want to show y'all how I do my lemon pepper salmon. Okay, so what we have right here is just a large fillet that I have dried off. Okay, it is dried on both sides. This is the bottom of my salmon. I don't like the skin, so I prefer the salmon that is skinless. I know there's a lot of good stuff in the skin, but I don't like the skin. Okay, I have to, because it's seafood, I have to put me a little bit of lemon on there, even though I know this whole thing is going to be getting some lemon. Okay, I just have to put some on there, right? Just like that, nothing major. What this is right here, you guys, is this is some softened, unsalted, sweet cream butter. And in here I have some zest from a lemon and some zest from a lime, okay? This is some garlic powder, okay? And this is some lemon pepper. And we have some black pepper. Let me get my black pepper. Know how I did that. Now you guys, for delicious lemon pepper, these are the only things that you need. Those things that I just showed you. You need you some butter. You need you some black pepper, and you need you some lemon pepper seasoning and some garlic powder. Okay, but as we all know, I'm a little bit extra, so I'm gonna also be putting some parsley flakes and some dill flakes for my green, beautiful color. I'm gonna be putting some crushed red pepper for my kick, because you know I have to have a kick. Then I have some juice, the juice from half of a lemon and the juice from half of a lime. And then this is my gotcha, my chili and lime. Whew. This people, Badia, Badia, they have some wonderful seasonings. They are sold at Walmart. So let's get started, you guys. I put a little lemon on here just to get us started. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of my butter, about a big tablespoon of it, and I'm going to rub it into the bottom of my fillet. Okay, do the bottom of your fillet first. Even if you have the skin on, I think some flavor on that skin is always a good thing. Okay, just like so, you guys. She's gonna be so pretty. She's gonna cook at 425 degrees for 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna broil her for until I get the prettiness that I want from the broil. Okay, so that's that, right? Now we're gonna season the bottom. Lemon pepper. Can y'all see? Am I down? Am I up enough? Okay, so we put the butter on there, right? I'm gonna take this top off. I don't like all of this carrying on. I should have took it off. Okay, so lemon pepper. I don't measure. I would say start with 3 tablespoons. If you have a big one like this. Okay. I love it really citrusy, really lemony, okay? This is lemon pepper salmon, okay? We got some I'm not going to put these two on the bottom because I'm just seasoning the bottom so that it has taste down there, okay? It's not really, I don't really, you know, it don't have to be all beautiful like I want the top to be, okay? Just a pop of salt, you guys, because we know that lemon pepper has some salt in it, okay? Now we're just gonna flip this bag, girl. Come on, baby girl. Turn on over. Yes, honey. All right, and I'm gonna put some more of this butter mixture. Like I said, this is just softened butter. And I've got some zest from a half of a lemon and the zest from half of a lime. Is this a good look for you guys? Lord, I'm trying to make sure y'all can see. Okay, doing the same thing. Rub her down, you know, make her feel special. Yeah, girl. Yes, honey. Yes. Okay. You are so beautiful to me. I'm going to be putting this with some vegetables. I don't know what kind. I'm just going to reach into my freezer and I'm going to get me some out. Now, I'm not liking the way this is not getting on her. I know I let her warm up. That'll change the way the butter spreads down on there as well. It has to be some room temperature meat, you know. But she's doing good. I'm not mad, girl. I'm not mad. You all right. Okay? Then I'm going to take these gloves off and I'm going to season the top of her. And I'm going to take this top out of here right now. You want plenty of lemon pepper, you guys. Make it known that that's what you're using, okay? Lemon pepper. Lemon pepper. All over, okay? Get it everywhere. Right? We're gonna put some of my special seasoning that I want you to go out and get. Even if it's not this kind, just check out Badia seasoning. They have some great seasonings, okay? This is gonna be so pretty when it bakes up in the oven, okay? So we got that, and then gonna do me a little pop of flakes. It's a pop. I have butter and stuff left over, you guys, and that's a good thing because I have a couple of large shrimp that I'm also going to incorporate in this. See how pretty this looks already? Already, she already cute like she going to the dance, honey. Yes. Little dill. All these taste together, you guys. I can't, okay? But I want to. Okay, so for me, I'm going to do me some little minced garlic as well. This is also something that you don't have to do. Like I said at the beginning, all you need are those essentials that I showed you, okay? And it will be just fine, okay? This is just some minced garlic. Okay. Flavor, honey. Flavor. Yeah, I eat good sometimes, y'all. I don't just eat a whole bunch of cheese and stuff. I got this stuff on there. My husband is eyeing it. He's eyeing it. Eyeing my thing. And that's it. I'm going to put this in the oven, you guys, like I said, on 425 for 15 minutes. And then I'm going to turn the broiler on until it's golden and beautiful. But this is all you need. Now I'm going to take this juice. I almost forgot my juice, y'all. My juice from my my lemon and my lime. Half a lemon and half a lime. I'm just going to go right down on top of that bag, girl. I'm going to do like 2 tablespoons. And then when it comes out, I'm going to do it again right before I get ready to eat it. Okay? So that's it. Let's bake it. And I'll let you see what it came out like. Okay, 15 minutes later, she ready. Look at her. Look how beautiful she is. Oh, she's so good. How you know if your salmon is done or not? Go to the end and flake you off a piece. It should be flaky and pink inside. See that? You see that? Can y'all see? The pink. Let's see, I pick it up. Like that. Should have a pink little glisten to it. Let me taste it. Salmon is so easy and so good, you guys. I just want to share this with you guys. You can put this with anything. Mashed potatoes. You can put it with vegetables. I have made me some shrimp. I made me a little shrimp with the same seasonings. I just did them in a pan on the skillet, on the stove. And I'm going to eat this and some broccoli. And that's dinner. Chill about it. All right, you guys. Don't forget to like this video, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget, your food ain't all the way live until it's been RitasEatas. I'm sorry, I'm doing some other stuff. See you guys next time. Bye.